Hey everyone, welcome to One Click Nexus. Today, I'll show you how to enable color filters on your iPhone for better visibility and accessibility. First, open the Settings app on your home screen. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This is where you can customize your iPhone's display settings. Now, tap on Display and Text Size. This section has several options to adjust your screen. Scroll down until you see Color Filters and tap it. Toggle the switch to turn it on. You'll see filter options like grayscale, red/green filter, green/red filter, and blue/yellow filter. Tap each one to preview how it changes your display. You can also adjust the intensity slider to fine-tune the effect based on your preference. This is especially helpful for reducing eye strain or if you have color blindness. And that's it. You've successfully enabled iPhone color filters. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iOS tutorials on One Click Nexus.